Search strategies. Searching in library databases is a little different than searching Google, since databases search a carefully curated set of information rather than the whole of the internet. They rely heavily on keyword searching. For every item contained in the database, there is a record that includes metadata or information about that article, like the title, the authors, the date of publication, and an abstract or summary. When the database searches for information, it looks for the keywords in all of the information for that article, and in the full text of the article if it's available. Databases search for every word that you put into the search box. If you put a string of words in the search box, it will only return results that include all of the words in your search. This can leave you with no results, or you may miss out on other valuable articles that use different keywords. To help you get the best results possible, it's important to limit your search to keywords, or the most important parts of your topic, and to consider how you combine these keywords in your search. To do this, let's take a look at the language the databases use, Boolean. Boolean operators are words that communicate specific meaning to a computer, and we use them to create more specific and accurate searches. They let us combine our keywords in various ways to get different results. How do they work? Let's start with AND. AND is used to combine search terms and make your search more specific. Let's say that you're searching for information about how to remove a ghost from your house. If you were to search for just ghost, just house, or just remove, your search results would not get you the information that you want. You need to combine these terms in a way where the results will touch on all of these topics together. This is what AND is for. By searching for ghost and house and remove, the database will return only information where all three of these topics are present, giving you a better chance of finding articles closer to your topic. When you put two or more words together in a search box, the database puts an invisible AND between them, unless you tell it otherwise. Or widens your search. It means that you're willing to accept two terms as interchangeable. It's great to use with synonyms or words that have similar meanings. So for our search, we might say house or home or building. All three of these words might be used to describe the same group, and different authors may have used different words in their articles. Not narrows your search by excluding things. In this example, you're pretty certain the ghost is friendly and not demonic. So you might want to exclude demons from your search. You could say ghost, not demon, to make sure that you're only getting results focusing on ghosts of the more friendly variety. You can also combine any or all of these terms to build a search string. So to find out more about having a ghost in your home, but avoid results about demons, we could search ghost and house or home or building, not demon. If it starts to sound like math, it is, but don't worry, the database handles the hard part. Just like in math equations, the order of operations apply. Whatever's in the parentheses is done first. So in our example, the search actually looks for ghost and house, not demon, or ghost and home, not demon, or ghost and building, not demon, all at the same time. Using effective search strategies can save you time and get you the best results for your topic.